Today, musicians, I am Justin Zilan G. Ordoña. Today, we'll focus on the thrilling sport of table tennis, where skills, agility, and strategy take center stage.
In UCC Intramurals Meet 2024 Table Tennis, one theme resonated throughout the entire event that took place at Laudisha Room last September 25 to 27, 2024. Hence, the player from the green team was absolutely amazing as they dazzled everyone in attendance, including their opponents, after winning all of their matches.
In Set A and Set B for men's category, the green team matches against the red team. The green team score higher points which lead the team to a victory over the red team in the finals. In Set A and Set B for men's category, the green team matches against the blue team. The green team also scores higher points which lead them to the victory over the blue team. In mixed double category, the green team also aced the game as they matches against the yellow team.
Table tennis, also known as ping pong, originated in England in the early days of 20th century and has evolved into a fast-paced sport enjoyed worldwide. It emphasizes quick reflexes, precision, and mental agility, making it a fantastic way to improve coordination and concentration.
As we celebrate the achievements in Intramurals Meet, it's essential to reflect on how this experience align with the vision and mission of the Union Christian College. The college vision is a distinct Christian educational institution committed to whole-person education, responsive to the local and global needs and job market opportunities. The college mission is to integrate biblical truths in academic excellence to produce Christian servant leaders and responsible citizens.
Sports is a vital achieving the mission and vision of UCC for several reasons. First, character building. Sports instill essential values such as discipline, teamwork, and integrity, which are the vital for becoming effective leaders and responsible citizens. Second, holistic development. Engaging in sports contribute to physical and mental well-being, essential for a well-rounded education. Third, community engagement. Sports foster a sense of community, aligning with the mission to serve and lead with a heart of service. And last is global awareness. Participation in sports encourages students to connect with diverse culture, enhancing their global perspective while addressing their local needs. By integrating sports into its educational framework, UCC can effectively cultivate well-rounded individuals who are equipped to meet the challenges of the modern world while embodying the value of their Christian faith. Congratulations to all the participants, especially to our table tennis champion, Green Team. This is Justin Zilan Ordoña, reporting live from the Union Christian College. Stay tuned for more updates and we'll see you at the next event.